You mentioned the mini-budget, and of course that repair work continues between the new Prime Minister Rishi Sunak working with his Chancellor, and they've dropped some hints at maybe tax cuts across the board. What do we know? What are the details? What is coming out of the woodwork?
Yeah, a big exercise in expectations management from the Chancellor and the Prime Minister. We had a readout from their meeting yesterday. It's interesting because this morning there are two reports, damning reports, from the Institute for Public Policy Research and also the Resolution Foundation, saying that government departments cannot take any more austerity because of inflation, and IPPR saying that what they need is £40 billion of tax rises on the wealthiest in society to plug the fiscal black hole. Now, Jeremy Hunt and Rishi Sunak are reported to have said that we do need tax rises across the board, especially on the wealthiest. Those with the broadest shoulders can carry the burden the most easily. And so really they're laying the foundations for a big U-turn from Truss's tax cuts to Sunak's tax rises.